Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anjaneé Unique and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you are new on this channel, I'll be focusing on beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogs, and like fragrance related stuff. So if you're into those kind of things and you like the vibes here, then you should definitely click that subscribe button as well as a little bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And I think you love it here, so you should stay. For today's look, I wanted to do something super sexy, sultry, but bold and kind of festive for the holidays. Honestly, I'm so extra that I would wear this even if it isn't the holidays. I would wear it for like a date night. I would wear it on a regular day because I'm just extra and I don't apologize for it. I love it here. Yeah, this is the look. If you would like to see how I got this look, then please continue on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start with concealer in the shade Deep Pecan. It's 4.35. Girl, I had to like hunt this shade down in Atlanta. I went to like 2 different Sephoras. First I went to the Sephora in Pont City. At Pont City Market, and honestly, I don't know why that store's there. They never have anything. They never have the product that I'm there for, and they just follow you around the store. Like, girl, I told you 3 times that I didn't need any help. I'm just concealing, highlighting these specific points in my face. And I'm gonna start blending it out right away with my Beauty Blender Pro. My under eyes sit a little bit longer so that they can be as full coverage as possible. I know the concealer right here looks a little weird, but there's a method to my madness. When you put your concealer in that area and put it like in an upward motion, it kind of gives you the expression of like kind of like smiling, because I have RBF, and anything I can do to help that. I want to look more friendly and approachable. So yes, I feel like that works. I don't know, maybe it's in my mind. I feel like it works. Okay, and I'm gonna take my foundation brush and blend this out even further. And I'm just trying to give the concealer in my eyes more time to like dry down. I should probably put something on my lips since we are wearing a red lip. And I need these things to be as moisturized as possible. I don't know who that is. Take to my phone. But she busy. She working. So I'm just taking some EOS chapstick. My nails are white and I'm doing my makeup. They're supposed to be matte white. So if they look pretty jacked up, just disregard. It's been a while since I had my nails done. Like, I don't know what was going on, but best believe I'm making this next appointment. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending this out. Oh. I'm gonna blend up to the heavens, right here in the corner of the eye. Blend up, girl. You want that lifted cat eye look, fierce feline look. So blend up, up and away to infinity and beyond. Beauty Blender did that. And did. Now I'm ready to set my concealer with the Mercier Translucent Honey. And I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer. We're also going to bake the concealer also. Okay, I'm starting to bake prematurely. Getting a little carried away. You want to basically set all the areas that you apply highlight. Keep it toe, chin, these corners. I'm gonna move on to contouring. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. Contour changes the game. Contour changes the game. I'm going to bake the under eyes. This is also going to catch any fallout eyeshadow so that it doesn't ruin the face makeup while we're in the process of slaying the eyes. I feel like baking the under eyes just helps, or baking your highlighted areas just makes it perform a little bit better. So your highlight concealer just be popping. I know a lot of people don't bake anymore, but I feel like it's necessary. Baking is necessary. And I'm gonna look crazy, but just trust the process, girl. Trust the process. Taking Fenty Beauty's Mocha Mamí Sunstalker Bronzer. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay. She's a 10 out of 10. Just gonna just bronze us up. Ooh, God, it's looking so warm and sun-kissed and tropical. I just love bronzer. I'm gonna put some more powder back under my eyes because I feel like we lost some of it just now. And I might be overdoing it, but I'm super extra. You know, the more you stick around, the more you will learn that I am extra. What was that noise? I don't know, y'all heard that. I'm taking my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 4 to start on the eyes, girl. Yikes. I know it's hard to trust the process when I look like this, but I ain't lying to you. Let me bring it a little bit closer, okay? Just a little bit, boo. Just a little bit. Oh my God, don't look at my edges. Okay, I got y'all super close and all up in my face. And that's not a bad thing. We like it like this, right? So we can see what's really going on. I'm gonna apologize for my nails again. Oof, they look atrocious. I do have a nail appointment on Friday with my boo Tim, and I can't wait to see him because it's really been a while. Oh my God. It's an Amber Alert. I have this Morphe palette that I'm going to be using on the eyes. Just a neutral palette. Start with, I don't know. I'm going to just wing it and see what happens. I'm going for a sexy, a sultry, smoky, kind of 90s glam eye. I'm always going for that look. If you have not noticed, that is my favorite kind of makeup. Sexy, sultry, soft, glam, like bombshell kind of makeup, okay? Not doing too much, but doing a lot. Doing a lot. I'm taking a Morphe M44 brush. Can y'all see that? And I'm going to take a warm guy right here at the bottom. I'm just gonna go crazy with it, put it all over. Put it all over. Oh, not my base creasing like that. Go crazy with this. Go crazy. This brush is shedding on my lip. Not both eyes closed, child. Are you sleepy or what? I am filming this at night, by the way. That's how that's looking. I know it don't look like much, but it gets better. It gets better. Use windshield wiper motions and swirly motions like that. Swirly motions and windshield wiper motions. I'm going to get a microphone so y'all can hear me a little bit more crisp and clear. I know I'm kind of soft spoken and it's kind of annoying. I'm sorry. I'm going to work on better audio quality by investing in a microphone. We're going to start deepening that up. I'm taking the same brush because this is going to be one like cohesive look, okay? Taking this darker brown right here. Now, last but not least, we're gonna take some of this ashy black right here in the center, only in the center. Just adding a little bit of depth and blending that out. Just a little something, something. Blend that, just blend it. My eyes starting to water. Now it's getting real sexy. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Using my Givenchy Prism Lip all over. I'm gonna use the little powder puff and I'm gonna use my brush. So yeah. It's the logo for me. Eyelashes really take everything up 10,000 notches. I'm getting ready to do the lips. Bright red lipstick. I've been wearing this lipstick since high school. And my lip liner is going to be in the shade Night Moth by MAC also. Taking my MAC's Ruby Woo. She's been that girl and always will be that girl. And red, super bright red lipstick, and this Night Moth lip liner just gives it a nice, sexy, vampy, kind of like red wine feel around the rim. Let me spray my face with my Fix Plus setting spray. It's not a setting spray, but I use it as a setting spray. Let's give it a holiday glam. What you think? Bombshell holiday glam is that? Old Hollywood bombshell glam. Let me take down these whatchamacallits. I'm using y'all out. This is how she ended up turning out. I feel like it looks really good. This is my ultimate favorite red lip combo, which is Ruby Woo by MAC and the Night Moth lip liner by MAC. It is a must have. I feel like the sexy subtle eyes is doing it plenty of favors with this bold red lip. The eyelashes are giving what they're supposed to give. Like, I'm very pleased. I hope you like this look, and I hope it inspires you to do something bold and sexy for the holidays or for date nights, or just if you just want to and you just that girl, then go right on ahead. I'm here for it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to catch you guys in my next upload.